Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Worried about sales tax on Shopify? In this quick video, I will walk you through how to set up your Shopify store taxes the right way in just a few steps, whether you are in the US or selling internationally. From your Shopify dashboard, scroll down and click Settings, then choose Taxes and Duties. This is where you will manage all your tax settings by country or region. Under the Sales, under the Manage Sales and Sales Tax collection, you will see options by region. If you are in US, click Setup and enter your sales tax permit or nexus. That's that's where you are legally required to collect tax. If you sell in Canada or other countries, click the region and follow the prompts. Always check with the local tax advisor to know where you need to collect. Shopify automatically calculates most tax rates based on your computer's shipping address and regional rules. To ensure this works, make sure automatically calculates tax is enabled under each region. Next, go to Shopify dashboard, then click products, click on any product, scroll down to the pricing section and make sure there's tax on this product. If available. If certain products are tax exempt like digital goods or books, leave it unchecked. You can set overrides if your products are taxed if definitely in certain regions. Go back to your taxes and duties section from settings and scroll down to tax overrides section and click add override for a product or collection. If you sell to the EU or UK, turn on collect VAT and enter your VAT number if available on your store. You can also enable include tax in prices if you want customers to see tax inclusive pricing, especially common in Europe. Finally, click Save, then go to your store and preview your store from tax dashboard and do a test checkout to make sure taxes are applying correctly. And you are done. Shopify handles the rest. Taxes can feel complicated, but Shopify makes it easier. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more Shopify tips. And I will see you in the next one. For add a product, go to products and click add product. From here, just click the there's text on this product if available this option. So stay with me, stay creating and happy shopping. Thanks for watching.